welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you July's Birchbox. Look at this little beauty. So guys, if you want to see what's inside this box, carry on watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's jump straight into the video. So guys, this is July's Birchbox. Doesn't it look absolutely fab? Again, this one is a slightly different box, same like last month, but this one is more like a shoebox with a lid than a drawer. And to be honest, I actually prefer that. I quite like having a box like this where you can sort of use it as a keepsake and things like that. Not that you can't use it with the drawer, but I just find this one a little bit more friendly for using. Again, the packaging is absolutely stunning. Love the design of this box, and definitely a keepsake box. This one looks so cute, and I just love the design of it. It's really nice and actually fresh. So guys, this month is all about adventure in July. That's the thing with this box. So it says say yes to adventure on my little book here. On the back here I've got my August sneak peek, and you can pick your full size Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics eyeshadow crayon in fetch or gold plated. So that is the two different options for next box. And again, we've got another choice to win a competition at the bottom here as well, which is very cool. And today we have got the July Birchbox. So it says, hello Birchboxers, with summer stretching ahead, it's time to say yes to adventure. Throughout July we'll be encouraging you to be bold and try something new, however big or small, near or far. That might mean buying those festival tickets, rocking a new hairdo, or stepping outside your beauty comfort zone. Whatever adventure means to you, just remember it's not about destination, it's about the journey. I love the little bits of information and quotes and welcome to the month sort of messages that they put in these. I just think they're really nice. So this is the one item that we knew in advance that we were going to get this month, and this one is this one here. We had two choices. There was a more reddy one and a more brown one, and I went for the brown one, which is called Trifecta. This is a beauty powder. Thank you, Laurie, for being so loud. As I was saying, this is a beauty powder. It says this is by Manda Kadar. It's the long wear powder. In the other colour was Paradise, and this one is called Trifecta. So this one is sort of a more sort of brown colour. You can see just there. But these have multi-uses, which is very cool. So it says here, ready to throw out the makeup rulebook, this multi-purpose powder can be used on cheeks and eyes to add a pop of colour wherever you need it. Formulated with lightweight texture, it glides on smoothly to deliver a freshly flush cheeks or pretty definition to the eyes. Its RRP is £15, so I hope for £15 the real one is a little bit bigger than this, otherwise that would be a bit shocking, I think, personally. But it is definitely a good size for a sample, which is really cool. So you can use this on different parts of your face. I'll give you a little swatch. It is really, really soft, but it's got a really nice sort of colour to it. This one is sort of a very natural, muted kind of brown colour, which I think actually would be really nice for eyeshadow. So I'm definitely going to try and give it a go using it as one of those. I think you can build up really nice layers with it, and it is very, very soft and sort of silky when I take it from the palette there. So I'm really enjoying putting that on my eyes, because I don't like ones that are a bit scratchy. Sometimes you get the ones with glitter and things like that, or very powdery and they drop bits everywhere, but I think that one is going to be great for that. Next up we have got this one here. This is a very cute little bottle, and it's glass as well, so it looks very fancy with the pipette and everything. This is the Invisible Illumination Instant Glow Beauty Serum in medium. So I guess they've gone medium so it can sort of cover everyone's base, because as you can see there, it has got colour in it. So they don't want to go too high or too low, so they can get as many people as possible to try this. Scandi Living is all about keeping things simple, and the same goes for their beauty routines. Infused with pure Arctic spring water, this lightweight serum hydrates, brightens and evens your complexion for that coveted glow. Use it alone or under makeup to just give it a shake, then apply all over your face. I've given this a go this morning. I think it smells absolutely divine. It smells really good. I know that some products that you can get for serums and stuff don't always smell the best, but I've given this a go this morning. I've put that on. My skin feels great. It definitely has pigment in there, so be careful when applying it that you don't get a bit patchy, but it just, when you work it in nicely, it gives you a nice sort of muted feel to your face. and I couldn't say that I really had a great glow. I can see I've got a bit of glow here, but that is highlighter. But I would say I definitely did look sort of fresh and clean and tidy, which I did think was nice, and it made my skin feel great as well. So I wouldn't necessarily say glowy. If anything, it's one of those glow within kind of looks, but definitely a feel good and nice serum to apply this morning when I tried that. And the RRP for that is £27, and it is definitely in a bigger bottle. I can see that from the image. Next item we've got is What's in It For Me. This is a shower scrub, again one with different kind of packaging. I think this is all the range at the moment, ones with lots of writing on the front of it. It says What's in it for me: walnut shell to naturally exfoliate, sweet almond oil to rejuvenate the skin, plus orange and jasmine flower extracts for an uplifting floral fragrance. Very nice, and it says it all there right on the front for you, so they didn't dilly-dally with patterns and designs, they just went straight for What's in Me. It's called What's in Me is the actual name of the brand. Shower scrub. Treat your body to a new lease of life with this exfoliating treat. It is infused with uplifting orange and jasmine flower extracts that linger on your skin, and sweet almond oil to nourish and prevent dryness. Plus it gently scrubs away dull dead skin cells with fragments of gritty walnut shells. So you're rubbing yourself with nuts by the sound of it. Can I smell anything? Can I smell anything? Okay. Oh, this smells really sort of fresh and tropical. It's slightly fragranced in the smell of it, but it smells really fancy. Like, I would say I would expect something to smell like this in a hotel. You know, you only get those little bottles in your bathroom. I would expect something I got in my bathroom in a hotel to smell like this. Oh, it smells almost sort of tropical coconutty, even though I didn't see anything that was remotely coconutty inside the thing. But I think it's the almond oil where it's given that slightly nutty smell. But this, I'm definitely going to try this out. I love to give a shower scrub a go, so really excited to try that. It says on the bottom, totally selfish, indulgent, in love with yourself products. I like that. I like the sound of that. Definitely going to give this a go. It smells fab. I really think this smells very high end and really nice and juicy, and I think this one is going to be really nice. I like how it's got different things in it, and they're using natural things like nutshells to give you the exfoliant, which I think is a very clever idea. That one's is RRP for £7. I believe this one is slightly bigger than the sample that we've got here, I believe, and it's microbead free, so it's not got any of those weird little dots in it. It's actually natural products that give you your exfoliant, which I think is a really fascinating idea. Second to last, I have got this little blue bottle of interestingness. It looks like some sort of potion in this bottle. This is the Chlorine Floral Water Makeup Remover. Remove makeup in one step with this clever micellar water. It contains soothing cornflower, gently removing face, eye and lip makeup. Simply soak a cotton bud and then sweep it across your face. There's no need to rinse, and there's definitely no excuse for sleeping in your makeup now. So I love a micellar water, as you may have seen in some of my favourites videos, so I am very excited to give this one a go. I actually really like the colour of it. I think it's a really interesting sort of bluey purple. Reminds me a little bit of nail varnish remover, which is slightly scary, but I think this one could be potentially very nice for removing my makeup. It smells very ever so slightly floral, but very clean smell, and a very light smell, so I don't think this one will linger too much when you've taken your makeup off, which is good because you don't want anything that's sort of really too perfumed when you're sleeping. You want your skin to breathe, so I think this one is going to be really fab for that, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. Definitely a decent sized bottle for a liquid item, especially like a micellar water, because they don't need too much to get those going when they're a decent one, so definitely decent size sample there. Really excited to give that one a go. And last up, we've got another item from Balance Me. I've had many different items from Balance Me, and I don't think I've ever got the same thing twice, so they definitely have a huge range of stuff, so really excited to give this one a go. This is the Congested Skin Serum. Looks a little bit like this. Again, 99% natural, which is great. The RRP for this was £16, and it's definitely a bigger bottle, very fancy looking one too. So this is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Even the most diligent skincare routine can't always prevent a breakout. Fortunately, whether it's a pimple or a blemish battlefield, this soothing serum works to balance skin and refine pores. Smooth a thin layer Smooth a thin layer before moisturiser or dab directly onto blemishes as a spot treatment. I put this all over my face this morning because I thought that would be cool. I get quite red and puffy face, so I thought I would try it across the whole thing, and I'm yet to see the benefits of it because I only just put it on before I put my makeup on. So I will see once I've had this on for the day how good my skin looks afterwards. It did feel very light, very sort of smooth when I put it on. It smells really good as well. Everything that I've had from Balance Me has smelled really nice. It smells almost like lemon verbena. It's like a very nice sort of citrusy smell. But also very similar to the smells you get in witch hazel items. I think that might be what I'm thinking of. But yeah, very nice scent to this. Again, a very elegant smell that is very, it's not very childish. It's more of a mature kind of fresh and florally-ish kind of smell, which I think is really nice. I tend to go for more for those items. I kind of like them better than sweet smelling things or things that smell just of chemicals, and these always smell fab. So this applied really nice, really smoothly. I had to squeeze the bottle quite a lot to get it to come out, but once it did, it applied really nicely. You don't need too much to cover your whole face, which is great. So yeah, really interested to see how this one's going to work out. So I won't know until the end of my day, but really excited to see what that item can bring for me. So guys, that is the items from July's Birchbox. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to give all of these items a go and a good try out to see how good they are and if they'll fit into my beauty routine. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. Don't forget to click the little bell button so that you get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you very soon. Bye.